Calculus 6.4. Find the length of the arc of the curve y equals 5 minus 4x on the coordinates -2 to 0. Arc length for given curve, L equals integral a to b square root 1 plus f prime x squared dx. dy dx equals d dx 5 minus 4x goes to dy dx equals -4. L equals the integral -2 to 0 square root 1 plus -4 squared dx equals the square root of 17 times 0 minus -2 equals 2 square root 17. Curve defined by the equation xy equals 8. Set up an integral to find the length from x equals a to x equals b. L equals integral a to b square root 1 plus f prime x squared dx. d dx is kx to the n equals k and x n minus 1. 8 d dx 1x goes to 8 d dx x to the -1 goes to 8 negative x to the -2 goes to -8 x to the -2 goes to -8 over x squared. Y prime squared equals -8 over x squared equals 64 over x to the 4th power. L equals integral a to b square root 1 plus 64 over x4 to the 4th power dx. Set up an integral that represents the arc length of the function gx equals sine x for the interval 0, 4 pi in the form integral a to b fx dx. Derivative g prime x equals cosine x. Fx equals integral 0 to 4 pi square root 1 plus cosine squared x. Set up an integral that represents the arc length of the function y equals x to the 4th power plus 2x from the point -3, -411 to 284 in the form integral a to b fx dx. Y prime x equals 20x cubed plus 2. Fx equals integral -3 to 2 square root 1 plus 20x cubed plus 2 squared dx. Consider the curve defined by the equation y equals 2x cubed plus 16x. Set up an integral that represents the length of the curve from point -1, -18 to 248. dy over dx equals 6x squared plus 16. Fx integral -1 to 2 square root 1 plus 6x squared plus 16 all squared dx. Find the area of the surface obtained by rotating the curve y equals 3x cubed from x equals 0 to x equals 2 about the x-axis. Surface area of curve about the x-axis. Integral a to b 2 pi y square root 1 plus dy dx squared. dy over dx equals 3b dx x cubed equals 9x squared. dy dx squared equals 81x to the 4th power. Y equals 3x cubed. 6 pi integral 0 to 2x cubed times square root of 1 plus 81x to the 4th power dx equals pi times 1297 square root 1297 minus 1 all over 81.